Good morning. Welcome to my studio. This is where I talk about all kinds of stuff. But this morning, I want to talk about this absolutely elite post by Keenan. Keenan is the sales guy, and he is a sales trainer, sales coach, sales expert that I adore. And I mean adore. I like the fact that he absolutely cares about salespeople, is a passionate advocate for sales as a profession, and also is a data-driven guy. And he shared this incredible post this morning. I'm just going to read some of the statistics. Since 2010, sales spend on how to use technology has gone from 14 billion up to, here we go, 11 billion in 2010 to 128 billion, right? That's just CRM. Sales enablement platform spend has grown almost 5 times in the last 5 years. Sales training is 10 billion, projected to double. The tech stack for the average rep has doubled. When you look at it, quota attainment has gone from 63% in 2012 down to 16% in 2024. Keenan is going to be releasing a book on revenue, and it's going to be brilliant. All of his stuff is brilliant. But I'm just going to give you my take on these numbers. Sales technology, marketing technology is failing you. If you're a business owner, it's failing you because it is distracting you from the reality that if you sell anything of consequence, now I'm not talking about people that are distributors and selling Doritos and stuff like that. I'm talking about people in the B2B market that sell to business owners and sell things of consequence. By consequence, I mean some complexity, and that complexity usually involves price, right? Here's the deal. We have forgotten that we still need to develop relationships. The lie of sales technology, the lie of most sales training, the lie of almost all marketing that I see out there is that by using technology to spam the ever-living crap out of prospects, even if you properly identify them, is that you'll be effective. And what they tell you is that if you didn't have a good result, it's because your salespeople are not good at closing the sale. No, the problem is that your salespeople are victims of your marketing. And so they are being introduced to prospective clients via your marketing technology and via the fact that they are not wanting to talk to a salesperson they don't know until near the end of the process. So all of your technology, all of this brilliant technology, it's since 2010 has been moving you farther and farther out of relevance with the clients that you so desperately want. What fixes it? Good marketing, getting your salespeople involved in relationship development. Don't have marketing have some abstract branding relationship with your clients and then expect the human being at the end of that process to come in and have trust. Wrong. Instead, flip it. Create the relationship between the human being and the other human being at the beginning and use all of that marketing technology, use really about 10% of it, to then support the human relationship in its development, the trust sequence, as I call it, within my Can I Borrow Your Car system. That's how this works. There's basically 2 things I do. I consult with companies, primarily financial services companies, on how to take back control of the sales process from technology and be much, much more effective, right? That drives up all kinds of great results. The other thing I do is I coach with business owners on how to be exit ready, or as I say, I'm starting to say now, stroke ready, and enjoy your business now. So long story short, more and more, it's becoming absolutely clear that what's broken is the relationship development, right? All of your cool CRM stuff, all of your cool marketing stuff, if it doesn't involve humans talking to humans, inevitably you are moving yourself farther and farther away from relevance with that client. If you're only worth meeting when the client's ready to talk to you about potentially buying what you do, you've already lost. You may think you won because you got a meeting, but are you closing enough of that business? If you are, Mike Garrison's an idiot. You need to talk to him. I hate to say it. The numbers bear out that I'm right and you're not. So how do we fix it? We do what we always do. Be real, be human, be authentic.